Destiny. Welcome to my channel. I make content on homemaking and soon to be homesteading, which is really exciting. So stay tuned if you are interested in seeing more of that. Today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys a copycat recipe for perfect bars. I love these things. These bars are so addicting. And if you don't know what they are, they're just a protein bar. You can find them at a Whole Foods or any grocery store in the refrigerator section. My favorite flavor is the dark chocolate chip peanut butter. So that is the flavor we are going to be recreating today. So let's go ahead and get started. This is the first ingredient you will need. We are going to make oat flour from rolled oats. Or you can actually buy oat flour already made. But this is really simple to make. We are just going to blend this in the blender for a couple of minutes to turn it into flour, which is so cool. We have about a cup of oat flour, and this is what it looks like. I could have blended it for probably a little bit longer, but it's okay if it still has some rolled oats still in it. It's really up to your preference. Now we are going to put 1/3 of almond flour. And make sure to get super fine almond flour. Super fine. Pour that in there. Okay, so this step is not necessary, but I just thought it would be really nice to add some collagen to these protein bars. And so we are going to add about 3 scoops of this. Okay, so the next ingredient is whole ground flaxseed meal. And this is a great source of fiber. So we are going to put 2 tablespoons of this. That's what it looks like. 1/8 teaspoon of some salt. And now we are going to whisk it all together. So now that we are done with our dry ingredients, we are now going to add our wet ingredients to the mixture. So first off, let's go ahead and add some peanut butter. We are going to need 1/2 cup of peanut butter. Any peanut butter will do. Any nut butter of your choice will do. It's really up to your preference. I love peanut butter. Anything peanut butter, chocolate related, I always like it. It's so good. Okay, so our next ingredient is going to be honey, and the recipe calls for 1/3 of a cup of honey. Now we need 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Okay, so now we are done with all the wet and dry ingredients, and now we just have to combine it all together. Okay, so this is how the mixture should be once you're done mixing it for a couple of minutes. It should be tacky, but not too dry. So as you can see here, this is a pretty good consistency. Now we are going to add some chocolate chips. This is the best part. You can choose any chocolate chips that your heart desires. I just went ahead and got these Gardelli milk chocolate chips. So any type of chocolate chip you want, you go for it. So yeah, we're going to add some of this in there, and I like to add a lot. And yes, I already kind of got into it. I already ate some chocolate chips. Oops. Yeah. Okay, so we are going to use an 8x8 container and we are going to press firmly the mixture onto this. This looks so good, you guys. It almost looks like chocolate chip cookie dough. So good. Firmly press the mixture into the pan. Going to put it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour before cutting into it. I hope you enjoy making this delicious homemade perfect bars from scratch in your own kitchen. It tastes so much better than store-bought. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you enjoy making these delicious perfect bars.